In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with ClickFunnels. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to expand your business or someone curious about the digital marketplace, ClickFunnels offers a dynamic way to enhance your sales strategy. Today, we'll delve into how you can effectively sell your own products using this powerful tool. First, it's essential to understand the idea behind ClickFunnels. It's essentially a digital platform that simplifies the process of designing and implementing sales funnels. Whether you're selling physical goods or digital products, having a well-structured funnel can significantly boost your conversion rates. To start, let's focus on creating a sales funnel for your products. This could be anything from physical items like merchandise to digital offerings such as ebooks, courses, or even software. The beauty of ClickFunnels is that it allows you to tailor each step of the customer's journey, enhancing the overall sales experience. Begin with your landing pages. These are critical as they form the first impression potential customers will have of your product. Your landing page should be both visually appealing and compellingly written. Include clear, concise information about what you're selling, focusing on the benefits and unique selling points. A catchy headline and an inviting call to action can work wonders to capture interest. Next, you'll integrate order forms into your funnel. These forms are where transactions happen, so clarity is key. Ensure that customers can navigate the buying process smoothly, addressing any potential friction points. Consider providing multiple payment options, which can increase the likelihood of conversion by accommodating various customer preferences. Now, let's talk about upsells. An upsell is a powerful sales tool that encourages customers to purchase additional products or services as they complete their initial transaction. ClickFunnels makes it easy to add upsells into your funnel. For instance, if a customer buys an ebook, you might offer an upsell of a related video course at a discounted price. This not only increases your revenue, but also adds value for the customer, enhancing their overall experience. Throughout this process, it's crucial to test and tweak your funnel, monitor performance, and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to the analytics available through ClickFunnels to understand where visitors might be dropping off, or where sales may not be converting as expected. Sometimes, small changes in wording or design can lead to a significant impact on conversion rates. Lastly, remember that success with ClickFunnels doesn't happen overnight. It requires experimentation, optimization, and sometimes a bit of patience. Engage with your audience, seek feedback, and continuously refine your approach based on the data you collect. By effectively utilizing landing pages, order forms, and strategic upsells, you can create a sales funnel that not only meets your business goals, but also delivers exceptional value to your customers. As you become more familiar with the nuances of ClickFunnels, you'll likely discover even more innovative ways to boost your revenue. Thank you for joining me today, and I encourage you to explore all that ClickFunnels has to offer.